The 2025 Chevrolet Impala convertible represents the pinnacle of automotive elegance and innovation, blending cutting-edge technology with timeless design. A true masterpiece of engineering, this vehicle offers a thrilling driving experience with unmatched luxury and style. The bold front grille, sculpted body lines, and aerodynamic profile ensure a commanding presence on the road. Every detail is meticulously crafted to reflect sophistication, from the sleek LED headlights to the chrome-accented trim that enhances the car's visual appeal. Inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of comfort, featuring premium leather upholstery, real wood accents, and state-of-the-art technology. The spacious interior is designed to cater to both driver and passengers, offering ample legroom, ergonomic seating, and advanced climate control for a relaxing journey. A high-resolution digital instrument cluster displays real-time information with crisp clarity, while the expansive infotainment screen provides seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and connectivity options. Voice-activated controls and intuitive touch interfaces make interaction effortless, ensuring that every drive is as enjoyable as it is efficient. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevrolet Impala convertible is powered by a high-performance engine, delivering impressive horsepower and torque for a smooth yet exhilarating ride. Whether cruising down city streets or embarking on long highway drives, the advanced suspension system ensures superior handling and stability. A finely tuned exhaust system produces a refined yet powerful sound, embodying the perfect balance between performance and sophistication. The responsive steering and adaptive driving modes allow for a tailored driving experience, accommodating different road conditions and personal preferences with ease. Safety is at the forefront of the Impala convertible's design, featuring a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system provide an extra layer of security, making every journey safer and more enjoyable. Advanced parking sensors and an autonomous parking assist feature simplify maneuvering in tight spaces, ensuring confidence behind the wheel. High-strength materials and reinforced structural components enhance crash protection, demonstrating Chevrolet's commitment to safety and durability. One of the defining features of the 2025 Chevrolet Impala convertible is its retractable soft-top roof, designed for effortless operation. With the press of a button, the roof folds away seamlessly, transforming the car into an open-air experience. The precision-engineered mechanism ensures smooth and silent operation, allowing drivers and passengers to enjoy the freedom of the open road in an instant. The convertible design enhances the vehicle's dynamic aesthetics, making it a true head-turner in any setting. Technology is seamlessly integrated into every aspect of the Impala convertible, offering a connected and intuitive driving experience. Wireless charging pads, multiple USB-C ports, and smartphone integration ensure that devices remain powered and connected throughout the journey. A premium surround sound system delivers concert-quality audio, enveloping passengers in rich, immersive sound. Enhanced voice recognition and AI-powered assistants provide real-time information and assistance, enabling hands-free operation of key functions. The driving experience is further elevated with customizable ambient lighting, creating a personalized atmosphere inside the cabin. Dynamic mood lighting adjusts based on driving conditions, enhancing comfort and setting the perfect tone for any journey. High-quality sound insulation minimizes road noise, allowing occupants to enjoy a serene and luxurious environment. The meticulously crafted dashboard and center console feature intuitive controls, blending modern convenience with classic elegance. Fuel efficiency and sustainability are key priorities in the design of the 2025 Chevrolet Impala convertible. Equipped with a hybrid-assisted powertrain, the vehicle optimizes fuel consumption without compromising performance. Regenerative braking technology harnesses energy during deceleration, contributing to overall efficiency. An intelligent start-stop system further reduces emissions, making the Impala convertible an eco-friendly choice for discerning drivers. Exterior color options include a wide range of sophisticated shades, from deep metallic hues to classic monochromes, allowing customers to personalize their vehicle to match their style. Exclusive trim packages offer additional customization, with unique wheel designs, carbon fiber accents, and bespoke interior details. Attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the vehicle's construction, from the precision stitching on the seats to the high-quality materials used throughout the cabin. The Impala convertible is designed for those who appreciate the finer things in life, offering an unparalleled blend of luxury, performance, and innovation. Every drive is an experience to be savored, whether navigating city streets, embarking on a scenic road trip, or simply enjoying the freedom of open-air motoring. The combination of cutting-edge technology, superior craftsmanship, and timeless design ensures that this vehicle remains a standout in its class. A spacious and well-organized trunk provides ample storage for weekend getaways or daily commuting needs. The innovative cargo management system ensures convenience, allowing drivers to make the most of the available space. Thoughtfully designed compartments and hidden storage areas add to the practicality of the vehicle, ensuring that every journey is as convenient as it is enjoyable. Owners of the 2025 Chevrolet Impala convertible will appreciate the attention to detail that extends beyond the vehicle itself. Exclusive ownership benefits, including concierge services, VIP maintenance programs, and access to exclusive events, elevate the overall experience. Chevrolet's commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in every aspect of ownership, ensuring that every Impala convertible driver feels truly valued. Innovation extends to the vehicle's user interface, featuring a next-generation infotainment system with cloud-based updates and AI-driven personalization. Over-the-air software updates keep the system up to date, ensuring that drivers always have access to the latest features and enhancements. Seamless integration with smart home devices and digital assistants enhances convenience, allowing users to control vehicle functions remotely. Advanced driver profiling technology adapts to individual preferences, learning from driving habits and adjusting settings accordingly. Personalized seat positions, climate control settings, and entertainment preferences are automatically configured for each driver, creating a tailored experience. Biometric authentication adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that only authorized users can access and operate the vehicle. For those who seek adventure, the Impala convertible offers a range of performance-oriented features designed to enhance the driving experience. Sport-tuned suspension, high-performance brakes, and dynamic stability control provide precise handling and exceptional road grip. Selectable drive modes allow drivers to switch between comfort, sport, and eco settings, optimizing performance based on driving conditions. The integration of augmented reality displays provides real-time navigation assistance, overlaying directional cues onto the windshield for intuitive guidance. Enhanced night vision technology detects pedestrians and obstacles in low-light conditions, improving overall safety. A head-up display projects key information onto the windshield, allowing drivers to stay informed without taking their eyes off the road. The 2025 Chevrolet Impala convertible is not just a car, it's a statement of sophistication, innovation, and driving pleasure. Every journey becomes an unforgettable experience, whether it's a leisurely coastal drive, a spirited highway run, or a serene city cruise. The seamless fusion of performance, technology, and luxury ensures that this convertible stands out as a true icon in the automotive world.